In conjunction with the Women of Excellence Woe Turns 30 event, celebrate the union of love with the Sounds of Love pre-Valentine's concert Thursday, February 9th at the Segura Center in Chalmette starting at 8 p.m. Hosted by Toya Beasley, featuring performances by PJ Morton, Leon Timbo, and Kelly Price. The Sounds of Love pre-Valentine's concert Thursday, February 9th starting at 8 p.m. at the Segura Center, 8245 West Judge Perez Drive in Chalmette, with PJ Morton, Leon Timbo, and Kelly Price. Get your tickets online at woturns30.com or Greater St. Stephen, Tuesday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Visit WOEturns30.com for more info. Brought to you by Women of Excellence and powered by Prudential.